Good morning, guys. It's Nicole, and one of my viewers was asking for some toddler activities that they can do to enjoy. And my daughter, River, one of her favorite activities is making slime. And this morning we were going through her toy box with all her craft supplies and organizing them, and we found like 5 different slimes that she had in there. So she is having some fun activities with those this morning.
Hi, I'm doing slime, overboard, so we're doing a video here about slime, and I'm mixing my slimes together in this video. So, I'm stretching it and pulling it and curling it on my hand, and dumping it in the dish, and mixing it with some blue and pink.
Wow.
And I don't know what color it's gonna make.
Well, I guess we'll see what color it makes after you mix all of it, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe scoot the dish like right in front of you so it's easier.
Yeah.
That looks like fun.
This is a super giant slime.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we will need a lot of things.
Yeah, you can mix it all together and squish it.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
That's awesome.
I put in a glittery slime, blue and pink. It's gonna be super glittery
Yeah.
because I put in a glittery one.
Mm-hmm.
I can mix all of my slimes together into a giant one.
That's super awesome.
This
That one looks kind of not very good. What do you think?
I'm gonna try and mash it.
Okay.
Come on out.
Do you need another dish for that one? Because that one I don't think we want to mix with the others. It looks kind of yucky.
I don't want to mix this one.
Okay. Why don't you squish that one and see how it feels?
It feels sandy.
Yeah.
It feels really good.
Okay.
This one is the winner.
What does it win?
The contest of the slime.
I see.
Because look, it could squish into a shape
Oh.
like sand. This is gonna be my sand.
Why don't you put that in that other dish that you got over there? Can you grab that other dish and put that one in there?
I have to crush a lot of it.
Okay.
Be my sand.
Okay.
That's a lot of glitter.
Mm-hmm.
It would take a long time for me to wash this off.
Okay. Are you gonna wash your hands?
Yeah. So it's really beautiful.
All right.
Wash it red.
I see.
The bag is my bed.
The bag is your bed. That's funny. All right. Are you gonna wash your hands? Nobody's in the bathroom because nobody else is here. Right. Do you want me to squirt the soap on your hands?
Yeah.
Okay.
The hands are taking turns.
Okay, there you go. All right, I'm gonna turn your water on too, that way you don't get everything all glittery. All right, rub and scrub.
It's turned into a glittery mess.
Well, that's okay. All right, you want to dry?
Yeah, just.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay. Gary, did we get some of those slimes for Christmas? Because I think they've lasted a pretty long time because it's July now.
They lasted for like 100 years.
Well, not 100 years. I think it lasted for 7 months. None of us are even 100 years old.
I'm making a big. This sand is really sticky and it really shakes.
That's cool.
And it really sticks together.
It's fun, huh?
I'm starting to feel like an ogre now.
An ogre? Why?
Because look at all the sand.
I know. Do ogres like sand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ogres like muddy sand.
Mm.
I'm poking it at it with a stick to see if it's good. And this one is definitely a winner.
Oh, good. I'm glad.
Woo! That means I get to keep this one forever.
Yeah, you can keep them, of course. We'll put them back in your toy container when we're done. We've made a whole bunch of different slimes over the years. We've tried slime kits. We've tried ones that have you mix the ingredients together. We've had ones with pre-made slime where you mix the add-ins. And we tried to make our own the first time with glue and some like eye drop stuff. And those turned out varying degrees. We made like 4 of them. Some of them were good, some of them were like super watery, some of them were mushy, and they all had like weird different consistencies. I don't think we mixed it quite according to the instructions each time. We got the instructions out of WikiHow, and so, you know, there's all kind of different slimes out there. Some people make it with borax, but you can keep your kids busy for like forever with slime. It's super fun, and when you squish them, it's super relaxing for moms too, so I like that. It's fun. I don't know, I kind of have the mentality of a toddler myself sometimes, so I really enjoy doing these kind of activities with River, and sometimes we even get the big girls involved, so it's always super fun. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let me know what you'd like to see next in the comments, and check out my blog, millennialmom.net, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.
A lot.